This is the Technics RS-TR272 that I got from my father-in-law for a great price. Power's on and makes some good clicks. But before we trust it, let's just test the fast forward and rewind. As you can see, there's some clunking, but nothing happening. So it looks like we're going to have to take this apart so we can see what's going on. 6 screws, we got 2 on the side, and then we're going to have 2 on the other side, and then 2 on the rear. And then the lid goes straight up. So if we take a look inside, we've got 2 tape mechanisms on either side. The power supply in the middle. And then the back of the display. As we're looking around, trying to figure out how this comes apart, I've noticed that there's some screws back here that you can't get to from the other side of the circuit board. Not sure how they manufactured this, but I'm beginning to think that they soldered the motor in after the fact. So that means we're going to have to desolder the motor to get everything apart. So we'll start by undoing some screws. With some solder braid here. Takes a little bit of effort, and I won't bore you with showing you all of them. And then with the magic of video editing, it comes off first try. We have to pop this little wire out and then unscrew the last 2 remaining pieces. And then the whole assembly comes off, and there it is. The other side is a similar story, but you can actually see some of the original belt that has broken off. And it's the same story on this side. We've got a bunch of screws, so we've got to undo. So we've got this one down here, which is nice and easy to access. Circuit board one here. And one that looks like it's going to be a bit of trouble because there's no way to get to it. So, see a screw, start to untighten them. Well, that one, no, you can't get to that one. Then we have to figure out something else. Bit of camera vibration there, sorry for that. I was able to get in a screwdriver bit from one of those universal screwdrivers. That way I didn't have to desolder the motor on this side. And then I forgot that I have to pop out the wire, so there it is. And then this side comes off too. So here you can see that one of them, if I pieced it together, was about 176 millimeters. And then the other one was about 15 centimeters. And then the 2 intact were about 10. So now I'll be searching the interwebs for replacement belts, and in part 2, when they arrive, we will put this back together and hopefully breathe some new life into this old tape player. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. Either encouraged you to repair your own tape deck, or encouraged you to go out and buy a new one. Your choice.